Hello, so I'm going to be teaching you how to navigate through Nearpod with our community helpers lesson this week or the next few weeks. We're going to be talking about community helpers and important people around the community that help us in our everyday lives. So the first thing we're going to do is join the lesson. The first thing the lesson is going to do is watch a quick little video that are talking about community helpers. Some of the community helpers that we have are pilots, captains, boat captains, bus drivers, race car drivers, librarians, grocery store clerks, detectives, mechanics. We have painters, landscapers, teachers, researchers. We have a wide variety of community helpers all around us. Once they finish the video on community helpers, they're going to do a quick little game matching the community helpers with the kind of jobs they do. So for instance, a firefighter puts out fires. Then you have a trash man or sanitation worker who takes out the trash and recycling. And then you have a cross guard who works, oops, not the right one. You have a police officer. And if you get it wrong, that's okay. So you have the school. There we go. That's how we do it. And then you can always go back and do it over and over again until you get all of them correct the first time. And then after that one's over, the kids will have a game they can play that's called Time to Climb, where they'll have to answer a few questions until they get to the very top. Some of the questions include what does a veterinarian do? What do policemen do? It's just very different questions that are geared towards the students, and after watching the videos and everything that's been posted, they'll get a good sense of what sanitation or what community helpers are. It helps. So I'm going to play a quick round to show you how the game goes. So the first question is, who would you turn to if you're sick? You wouldn't be a military, it wouldn't be a policeman, it would be a doctor. And then for the next question, it would be who come on. Sorry, so the next question is, what image shown is a vehicle that's connected to the post office? And you would click B. So basically that's just how to navigate this website to get to the lessons that are needed to learn about community helpers and